Hey everyone, and welcome to Tech More. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Xiaomi 13T Pro, the latest and greatest flagship smartphone from Xiaomi. Xiaomi has been making a name for itself in recent years with its high-quality smartphones at affordable prices. The 13T Pro is no exception, and it's shaping up to be one of the best smartphones of the year. First, let's talk about its design and display. The Xiaomi 13T Pro has a premium design with a metal frame and a glass back. It's available in three colors: black, blue, and white. The phone has a large, 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display is sharp and colorful, and the 120Hz refresh rate makes everything look smooth and fluid. Now let's discuss the major thing: is camera. The camera system is one of the best features of the Xiaomi 13T Pro. The main sensor is capable of taking stunning photos and videos, even in low light. The ultra-wide sensor is great for capturing landscapes and group photos, and the telephoto sensor is great for zooming in on distant objects. The next amazing thing about this phone is performance. The Xiaomi 13T Pro is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and 12GB of RAM. This is one of the most powerful processors available on a smartphone, and it makes the Xiaomi 13T Pro incredibly fast and responsive. The phone also has up to 1TB of internal storage, which is more than enough space for most users. Battery life. The Xiaomi 13T Pro has a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery. This battery should easily last you a full day on a single charge, even with heavy use. The phone also supports 120W fast charging, so you can quickly top up the battery when you need to. The Xiaomi 13T Pro is an excellent smartphone. It has a premium design, a powerful processor, a great camera system, and a long-lasting battery. It's also very affordable, making it one of the best value-for-money smartphones on the market. That's it for my review of the Xiaomi 13T Pro. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching.